If you're looking for a secure, easy-to-use crypto wallet, Zengo might be on your radar, but most people get this wrong by confusing it with traditional wallets. Zengo uses keyless security technology, meaning you don't need to manage private keys manually, which reduces the risk of losing access to your crypto. Here's how it works. Zengo uses biometric authentication and advanced cryptography to secure your funds. Instead of storing private keys, it splits them between your device and Zengo's servers. This multi-party computation method keeps your assets safe, even if your phone is lost or stolen. You can store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other major cryptocurrencies, plus some stablecoins. A standout feature is user-friendliness. Zengo has a clean interface, making it easy to send, receive, and track crypto balances. It also supports staking for select coins, so you can earn rewards directly through the app. Security notifications and recovery options are built in, providing extra peace of mind for beginners and experienced users alike. The downside is that Zengo is primarily mobile-based, which might not appeal to users who prefer desktop or hardware wallets. Fees for transactions and staking can also be slightly higher than some competitors. Additionally, Zengo does not yet support all cryptocurrencies, so check if your preferred tokens are compatible before committing. In conclusion, Zengo is an excellent wallet for those who prioritize security without the hassle of managing private keys manually. Its combination of biometric security, simplicity, and staking options makes it appealing for both beginners and intermediate crypto users. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest reviews on crypto tools that make investing safer and easier.